Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today let's make some amazingly delicious Guyanese coconut biscuit, one of my childhood faves. Let's jump right into this video. To my grated coconut, I am going to add some brown sugar, some cinnamon, some nutmeg, some good vanilla extract, some butter, a pinch of salt, and we are going to rub this in. You're going to also add some custard powder. That is optional, but I love custard powder because it also gives a good depth of flavor. And you can also add some powdered milk here. That is also optional. After mixing everything in well, you are going to add your flour. You see how moist that is? We don't need any liquid. So that is why you do not, and please do not squeeze the milk out of the coconut. All right, you're gonna just kill the flavor. After you grate the coconut, just add everything like what I'm doing here, and it is going to be super delicious and most flavorful. Now, after forming the dough, you are going to roll this out into your desired shape and sizes. Now, some people do like it thin and some do like it thick. It's a preference thing. All right, but if this is your first time, you can actually do both and choose your preference from there going forward. All right, so I did some round shapes here. You're gonna bake in a 350 degrees oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, and you must leave this to cool. All right, and then you can serve. And this is what it looks like, guys. So thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you have not. Drop me a comment, a like. Let me know if you ever had this before. All right, so thank you guys again. Be kind to yourself and each other. See you guys in the next video.